Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have brought another new video. This is a video of 6th class, friends, and the name of the 5th lesson is Major Dominance of the Earth. I hope you will listen carefully and understand the lesson. Subscribe to the video and share it with your friends. Major domains of the Earth. As you have read in the first chapter, the Earth is the only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life-sustaining elements of land, water and air are present on the Earth. The surface of the Earth is a complex zone in which three main components of the environment meet, overlap and interact. The solid portion of the Earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. The gaseous layers that surround the Earth is the atmosphere, where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Water covers a very big area of the Earth's surface, and this area is called the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms, that is, ice, water and water vapor. The biosphere is the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. Fourth origin in the Greek gauge lithos uns stone. Atmos uns vapor, means water, means life. Make words using lithosphere. The solid portion of the Earth is called the lithosphere. It comprises the rocks of the Earth's crust and the thin layers of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustain organisms. There are two main divisions of the Earth's surface. The large land masses are known as the continents, and the huge water bodies are called the ocean basins. All the oceans of the world are connected with one another. Look at the map of the world, figure 5.1. Are all the land masses connected with one another? The level of seawater remains the same everywhere. Elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8.848 meters above the sea level. The greatest depth of 11.022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Could you imagine that depth of sea is much more than the highest point? Continents. There are 7 major continents. These are separated by large water bodies. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Look at the map of the world, figure 5.1, and notice that the greater part of the landmass lies in the northern hemisphere. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the Earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west, figure 5.1. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called the Eurasia, Europe-Asia. Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bound by water bodies on 3 sides. Look at the map of the world and locate it. Africa is the second largest continent after Isla. The equator or 0 latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Look at the figure 5.1. You will find that it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all sides by oceans and seas. Look at the world map, figure 5.1. You will notice that the world's longest river, the Nile, flows through Africa. Notice where the equator, The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn pass in the map of Africa. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. 3 oceans surround this continent. Can you name these oceans? सबसे ऊंची पर्वत चोटी माउंट एवरेस्ट समुद्र तल से 8.848 मीटर ऊपर है। प्रशांत महासागर में मारियाना ट्रेंच में 11.022 मीटर की सबसे बड़ी गहराई दर्ज की गई है। क्या आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि समुद्र की गहराई उच्चतम बिंदु से कहीं अधिक है? महाद्वीप 7 प्रमुख महाद्वीप हैं। ये बड़े जल निकायों द्वारा अलग किए गए हैं। ये महाद्वीप हैं एशिया, यूरोप, अफ्रीका, उत्तरी अमेरिका, दक्षिण अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और अंटार्कटिका। दुनिया के नक्शे चित्र 5.1 को देखें और ध्यान दें कि भूमि द्रव्यमान का बड़ा हिस्सा उत्तरी गोलार्ध में स्थित है। एशिया सबसे बड़ा महाद्वीप है। ये पृथ्वी के कुल भूमि क्षेत्र का लगभग 1/3 हिस्सा कवर करता है। महाद्वीप पूर्वी गोलार्ध में स्थित है। कर्क रेखा इस महाद्वीप से होकर गुजरती है। एशिया पश्चिम में यूराल पर्वतों द्वारा यूरोप से अलग होता है। चित्र